guys, it's Evie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my carry-on because I'm going away next week. I don't know when this video is going to be going up, either when I'm away or like before I'm away, but I'm going to France to see some family. So I thought I would show you what I bring in my carry-on. So quick thing before this starts, I'm not actually using this as my carry-on. You're probably a bit like, okay, what? This is what I would use if I used a little bag as a carry-on, but basically me and my sister and I bring mini suitcases because we keep most of our clothes in our suitcases, just because I don't really like to, like the big suitcases we bring, we all share as a family, and I like to have my clothes separate in my suitcase just so I can just like access it whenever I want. So that's why I do that. So obviously this isn't going to be big enough to keep all my clothes in for 2 weeks, so that is why I do that, and I put most of my stuff in there. I'm going to bring this bag anyway probably, but this is what I would bring if I brought like a little bag as a carry-on, and I'm going to be probably putting all of these in my suitcase anyway. This is everything I'd bring excluding clothes, if you get what I mean. This video is very kindly brought to you by Gaston Luga. Love them so much, and this bag is really, really nice. It's one of their mini bags. Obviously you could get a bigger one, but I liked this because I wanted to get one that I could just take like every day when I just want to take like my phone and my wallet and stuff, because I used to shove things in my pockets. It just wasn't very great. So I'm going to show you what I have put in here. It also got a burgundy flap top with it, because you can choose like another flap top, and I chose burgundy, and then this is the back one that's on it right now. So this is vegan. It's Swedish design. Sorry, I'm just reading it off here so I can remember to cover everything. And they currently have free delivery and returns, which is really, really good. And yeah, you can use my code, I'll put it on the screen, EvieEllen15, for 15% off your order, which is really, really good. They have a current campaign on, which means you can get a free passport holder with every order. I've actually got it in here, so I will show you when it gets to it. That is also really, really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the bag. This little button thing, and then you've got a drawstring, I think it's called. First thing I have in here is some shorts, and you're probably like, okay, why do you have shorts? But basically, the weather in England right now is kind of hot, but in France, I think it's hotter. So I think it's really, really good if you are doing something like that, you're going to a hotter country, because you'll probably be traveling in something that's gonna keep you warm, and then when you get to the other side, you're probably gonna wanna put something cool on. So I just bought some really like packageable, small shorts that I could just like shove on like when I get on the other side. So I think these are from Urban Outfitters. They're basically just some shorts. This is not a clothes haul, but they're just some shorts that I could chuck on the other side, because probably going to be wearing joggers on the way. I'm not sure yet. So that's actually a really, really good idea, because they fit really well. You can just like shove them in the bottom of the bag. Next thing I have, obviously going to have my phone with me. Do I have any messages? Oh, I've got some messages. Got my phone with me because obviously I kind of need to have my phone just in case I need contacts, and that's, I'm not going to put like stuff like my phone in my big suitcase because I need to protect it. So this is my phone that I have. Also really upset because my friend's inviting me to something that I would really want to go to. I'm going to be away. Not saying that I don't want to go away, it's just really sad because that was really fun and that was really irrelevant, but I just saw the DM about it. So yeah, got my phone. Then another electronic thing that I have is my camera, and I put this hairband on it to carry. I don't really know what I was doing. This is my G7X, my vlogging camera, just because I'm probably not, I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging, but I'll definitely be taking pictures and stuff like that, maybe making montage, I don't really know. So I'm going to bring that with me in my carry-on, just because I think it's a little bit safer than having it in my suitcase. And also, whoa, that was a weird accent, also going to probably be like taking pictures on the plane and stuff, so I've got that with me. And then obviously we've got to bring our passport. That is very important because obviously you kind of need one to get anywhere. This is a passport holder. I was just about to put it in. As you can see, it fits really perfectly, but I have my like bank cards in there right now just because I was using it over the past week for that. I think you can get a black one as well, but I chose baby pink because it's like one of my favorite colors. Okay, next I have my hairbrush. I actually have another Tangle teaser which I kind of want to bring and stay because it's got a cover. I have no idea where it is though, and it's really annoying, but I've got my other one here because I always need a hairbrush wherever I'm going, even if it's for like an hour. I need a hairbrush because my hair can get knotty if it's just like natural, if you get what I mean, if I haven't like straightened it or anything, like it's kind of knotty now. So I will bring a hairbrush. So I've got this one. Then I have, what do I have? I have my earphones. These are studio earphones, basically because obviously listen to music and stuff like that, like on the way to the airport, because it takes like an hour and a half to get there, and then the plane's like an hour. Obviously you're gonna need some music at. The Spanish has gone really well, as you can see. I'm joking, it didn't. Anyway, this is what I have. They're just baby pink ones. They're Bluetooth, really easy to use. I've got them with me. Next, obviously you can't take water or food on airside, but this is just like before like security check-in. I've got some gum because I always need gum with me, and then I'll probably buy some more like on airside. But I've got like half the pack left, so I'll probably just bring, because basically just my Celestia, I'm running out my gum. By the time I go there, I'm going on Thursday and it's Saturday today, I'll probably have like 2 pieces left, and that's literally all I need. And then I have a few more things. I don't actually have many things in my carry-on, just because obviously this bag is quite small because I've picked the mini one, and it's basically really all you need for carry-on. I'm just, like I said, I'm also taking clothes, but that's just my preference. But this is basically all I would need like in a carry-on. I have my house keys here, just in case another one of my family forgets them. I'm just probably going to take them. I don't know if I'm definitely going to take them because I might lose them, but I'm going to think about that. But I've got my little keys there. I've got 2 more things here. I have a scrunchie. I basically bought a pack of these from eBay for really cheap. They're really, really nice. They're pastel. I've got a white one in my hair right now. I love them. I always want to take a scrunchie with me because I just think it's important to have, because if you want to like shove your hair, obviously my hair's up right now, but I don't know how it's going to be on the day, so I've just got one with me. And then also I would take hair clips. I haven't got any in there right now because they're in my hair, but I cut myself a fringe, so kind of need hair clips to clip that back, so I'm going to bring some with me. So the last thing I have in here is a tampon, because me anyway, I never know when I'm due because I don't track it because I'm a bit stupid. So, I mean, I don't think it's going to be due when I go on holiday. It's probably going to be the week after from what I'm remembering. I don't really know, but I've got a tampon anyway. I actually usually use non-applicator tampons, but I just thought I'd shove one in, like it didn't really matter, just to tell you that I would be using a tampon, like I would be taking one with me. Me and Helena were talking about this, but Helena and I, sorry, were talking about this before. I think this one might be cardboard actually, so it means it's recyclable, but I was thinking, and I was like, a tampon's recyclable? Because actually, if it's hard plastic, then maybe it is. I don't know, actually. Keep that in mind if you're a lady using tampons. Try and get one that's best for the environment. I'm pretty sure it would be recyclable, but anyway, we were just thinking about this before. If you know anything about that, let me know down below. But just got one just in case, because obviously if you start your tampon, okay, if you start your period when you're at the airport, you need to make sure you have a tampon, so got one with me here. So that is what is in my carry-on. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to go and check out Gaston Luga and just have a look at their bags and stuff. I think they do the passport holders obviously on their own and like some other things, but the bags are really, really great because obviously got one here. So definitely recommend. I will leave all the links down below. Thanks so much for sending me this bag. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.